What's going on, everybody? Seeley here. Today we are in Denver, Colorado. I'm with my homie
Norma Jean Watkins.
and today we're going to show you 4 lights used. Oh, give me a number 1 to 10.
6.
We're going to show you 6 different ways to use. Dang, girl, you sure want to go 6? That's
3.
3. We're going to show you 3 ways to use 4 lights. Look at her shoulders. And look at her core. How many hours do you spend in the gym per session?
About 2 hours.
And how many sessions per week?
6.
6 days a week, 2 hours per session. That's 12 hours a week. That's 48 hours a month. That's 400. What's 400?
You're asking the wrong person.
She spends a lot of time in the gym, and so we owe it to her to make sure that we showcase all those muscles. Hopefully you learned something new. If you do, please be sure to comment down below. Let me know what light setup you find the best for you. Let's see what we can do. All right, y'all, so we have 4 lights today. We have 1 directly overhead. We have a 3-foot octo. We're using the Profoto B10 Plus. The brands do not really matter all that much, but what I do find is that Profoto, compared to other brands, it's a lot more reliable. There's a lot less misfires. And it's just, I don't know, I like them. That's all I can say. We have a second light here. This one is just for the core. I've got a B10 with a 1x3. Now this light's gonna move around depending on where she moves. If she's facing the camera, which I'll be shooting from this side here, if this is gonna be going across the core, wherever her belly button is, you go up and then over to the side. Let me show you an example. Stand facing me, right there, perfect. Belly button, up, straight to the side. So this light here for this shot should go right across the front of the core. I don't want it here because if it's behind her, none of that light's going to hit her belly button here. So I want that light to be right in the front. Now rotate facing this way. So I don't want it here because now the light's going to go and it's going to hit her core flat. So I'm going to move this light here. So this light's going to move quite a bit. This backlight over here, this light can be a little bit more stationary because this light is only going to be used as an edge light. From my shooting direction here, it's going to give a thin strip of light from the top all the way down to the bottom. I've got the bigger 1x4 on this side because I want that edge as wide as I can, or as tall as I can. I have a 2-foot octo, another B10. This one has a grid. This light here is only for the face because my main light overhead, if I don't have something to light her face, that main light's going to give her raccoon eyes underneath. It's going to give a lot of light from here going down to increase a lot of shadows here. This is going to give the highlights on the core. This one highlights on the back edge. This one lighting just for the face. Now with that said, if she turns her face that way, that's going to light the back of her head. I'll have to move this light around that side. I could have it in the front, but I'm trying to prevent having too much spill on a core. Because I want the highlight into the shadow. What I don't want is I don't want everything to be all mid-tones here, or else you lose that definition. This light here also is going to help hit the quads. Let's show you what the pictures look like. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go. This side, right there, perfect. Bring your face back to me a little bit more. On this end here, let's go here and push forward, shoulders, insane, just like that. Hold it. Okay. Okay, so remember what I told you. That light there is for the core. So I took a test shot. I had to change her position. And so first thing I need to do is make sure that every light is positioned properly. Right now, her core is not being touched. So I'm gonna move this light over to go across her midsection. Hold that pose. Again. Chin up a little more. Hold it. Try to push on this shoulder as much as you can. Right there, perfect. Good. Core looks amazing. Relax this shoulder a little bit. Bring the elbow back. All right, let's go pros and cons of this particular light setup. Pros, it's gonna make the core look incredible. The bad side with this, key light overhead, it's hitting the shoulders. If you notice the striations on the shoulders, the striations are going north and south. So when the light is going from north down south, it's gonna fill in all of those beautiful shadows. Solution, what I could do is I can bring this light down this way, and then I can move this light over on that side to go across this way. So that way, You have that highlight shadow going across her shoulders. Right now, we're going to focus on her core and her face, and then we'll go and showcase quads, and then her shoulder next. Ready? Core looks amazing. There, good. Bring the face to me. Love that. Push all the hair up over. Perfect, and I want to have you turn your face aim this way here. Love that, perfect, good. Good, let's have you stand. Belly button to me. Good, feet wide, quads tight. Good, take a half step this way. Right there. Good, let's take this hand, let's lift up. Pull on this, right there. Right there, good. Look down towards your right foot. Good, drop that right shoulder down a tiny bit more. Good, quads look insane. Good, good, relax. So those shots look amazing. Now we're gonna do something to really bring out the core. What I'm gonna do is gonna bring out that backlight, the edge, bring it towards this way. I'm gonna get lights to go back and forth against the quads. I don't know how this is gonna look, I'm just guessing. Why don't you still turn your face to the right? Good, right there, perfect. Take a half step towards me. Right there, perfect. Right there, good, shoulder looks amazing. Good, turn your face a tiny bit more to the right. Right there. Good. Rotate right shoulder to me a little more. Right there. Take the right hand up to the hair. Let's go underneath the hair to the neck. Right there, perfect. Bring the face tiny bit to me. Right there, perfect. Good, hold it. Tilt the head this way a tiny bit, there. Yeah, your legs are insane. Relax the legs. All right guys, what you have here, you have this light underneath. It's gonna go across, it's gonna hit the quad. Key light here is going to hit the upper body, the face, and midsection. This one steer. Oh, you steer. This one here is going to light the other side of the leg, the core, and then that light there is going to be for separation. So her head is separated from the background. It makes it a little bit darker. Man, talking a lot makes me lose my breath. Good. I like that left hand. There. Yeah. Good. Right there. Love that. Good. Let's turn the whole body facing this way. Good. I still want that left leg nice and tight. There. Perfect. Hold it. Let's go under here. Right there. Perfect. Bring the elbow back a tiny bit. Right there. Perfect. Just like that. Hang tight. Press down that front quad. Nice and tight. Good. Just turn your face to the right. Right there. Perfect. Rotate chest to me a tiny bit more. Right there. Right shoulder to me, face to the right. There. Good. All right, so that's light up number 2. We moved the overhead light from up top down here. The main reason for doing that is so to bring out a little more detail in the shoulder. And I wanted to bring out the quads a little bit more on each side. And bring this underneath here. With the hair of the face. There. Good. Bring the face to me a tiny bit more. Right there. Perfect. Chin up a touch. Turn the face out the window. Tiny bit more. All right, so that's gonna be light step number 3. Let's talk about what each light does. This one here is gonna be under lighting. It's gonna hit the bottom side of the abs. Try to give a little bit of highlight on the under parts. That light there is gonna be short side lighting for the face and for the body. So the light's gonna come across, it's gonna hit that side of her face. This is gonna be on this side. What I'm trying to prevent is having the light cross over to knock each other out. I wanna try to preserve as many shadows as possible. This bottom side, that face going on the other side of the core, that's gonna be for the back of the head, and this one is the edge lights, top and bottom. That's 3 light setups. Hopefully y'all learned something. If you did, please leave a comment down below. If this is the first time you've been on this channel, please consider subscribing. We post content once a week or so, sometimes once a month. If you have any questions, let me know. Please follow her on social media. I'll list her link down below. Hopefully y'all had a good time, and we'll see you next video.